Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a consent letter. What is a consent letter? A consent letter is a formal written document in which one person or party requests permission from another person or party. If the respondent offers consent, you must also be transparent about why you are obtaining consent. It is necessary to write a consent letter in order to obtain authorization to begin an action. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a consent letter for child to travel step by step. Check this out. First of all, you will need to write the information about the recipient. But, if you have no idea, just write to whom it may concern. And then, in the first paragraph, introduce yourself first while saying you are giving a permission for your child. Here, the writers introduce themselves as parents of a child. So, the writers mention their full name. They are Brian Smith and Rachel Smith. After that, mention the child name. In this example, the child's name is Robert Smith. And state clearly that you do hereby give your consent for the child to travel. Since it is about traveling, you must mention also the destination. In this case is Indonesia. And write what kind of visit, such as family visit, vacation, business, or something else. And since you don't come along with the child, write with whom the child goes travel with. In this example, the child travels with Susan Doherty. In the second paragraph, talk more about the vacation details. If you want the visa to get approved, or the consent letter valid, you must write the duration of the travel. You can say like the stay in that destination, the child will be staying at a certain place. And mention the name of the place if it is hotel or something. Or mention the owner's name if it is a house. In this example, the child will be staying at Agnes Monica's house. And of course, you must write the address. You need to mention the street name, the number, the city, and the zip code, as well as the state and the name of the country. Yes, just write down the complete address. Don't forget to add the phone or other contact information about the place or the person in charge. In the last paragraph, write when this letter of consent is being issued. In this case, you can mention the day, month, date, and year. For example, the letter is written on November 30th, 2023. Write also the place where you write it. For example is San Francisco. Not only that, you must state the goal or function of this letter. Since this is for visa, you can write that the letter is in compliance with immigration requirements for minor traveling. And write the name of the country. State clearly that the child will not be accompanied by parents. Finally, you can close the letter by writing your names. Write the child's mother and father's name. Add your signatures too. So, that's how you write a consent letter for child to travel step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.